How to remove home controls from iPhone Control Center. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Home application. Once you're here, tap on the Home icon below. You can view all your home accessories over here. Now, go back and go to the top right corner and swipe down on your screen to open the Control Center. The Control Center provides quick access to frequently used settings and apps. Now, long press on any empty area of the Control Center until a minus sign appears on each icon. From here, go to the Home icon and tap on the minus icon above it. You have now successfully removed the Home icon. Following these steps, you can easily remove home controls from iPhone Control Center. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.